Welcome back, everyone. In our first video, we explored what neuroscience is and why it matters. Now it's time to zoom in. Today, we're talking about the nervous system, your body's master control center that makes everything you do possible, from waking up and talking to thinking, dreaming, and even breathing. The nervous system is a complex network of cells that carry signals between your brain, spinal cord, and the rest of your body. It's how your body senses the world, reacts to danger, learns new things, and controls every muscle, whether you're aware of it or not. The nervous system is divided into two main parts, the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. But for the rest of our videos, we'll call them the CNS and the PNS. The CNS includes the brain and the spinal cord. It's like your body's main command center. It's responsible for processing information, making decisions, and sending out responses, while the PNS is made up of all the nerves that branch out of the CNS. Think of it as the communication lines that link your brain and spinal cord to your limbs and organs. It brings information in, like temperature or pain, and carries instructions out, like move your hand. The brain is the most complex organ in your body. It has different regions that specialize in different functions. The cerebrum, the largest part, is responsible for thinking, learning, emotions, memory, and voluntary movement. Then we have the cerebellum. This helps with balance and coordination. And we also have the brainstem. This controls basic life functions like heartbeat and breathing. We'll explore each part in detail later on. But for now, remember, the brain is where perception, movement, and decision making begin. Running down your back is the spinal cord, a long bundle of nerves protected by the spine. It's like a high-speed freeway that transmits messages between your brain and body. It also controls reflexes, like when you touch something hot and pull away before even thinking. The PNS has two major parts, the somatic nervous system and the autonomic nervous system. The somatic nervous system controls voluntary movements like walking or typing. It also carries sensory info from the skin, muscles, and joints to the CNS. The autonomic nervous system controls involuntary actions like heart rate, digestion, and breathing. It further splits into the sympathetic system and the parasympathetic system. The sympathetic system activates fight or flight mode, while the parasympathetic system promotes rest and digest mode. Together, these systems keep your body running smoothly, even when you're sleeping. Let's not forget the two types of signals flowing through the nervous system. We have sensory or afferent neurons that carry info to the CNS, like pain, temperature, and touch. We also have motor or efferent neurons that carry commands from the CNS to muscles and glands. A helpful trick to remember this is afferent equals arrive and efferent equals exit. When you understand how the nervous system is organized, it becomes easier to understand why brain damage in one area causes paralysis, or how anxiety hijacks your body's fight or flight system, or why the spinal cord injuries can stop communication between your brain and your legs. Now you got the big picture of how your nervous system is set up. In our next video, we'll zoom in even closer to explore the neuron, the building block of the entire system. Remember, you're not just learning about the brain, you're using your brain to learn about itself.